How can I help?
Hello?
Yes?
Hello there, what if you can help me? I spoke to you last week about coming to your restaurant for a meal. But I'm coming down this evening, hopefully, to book a meal with you. Do I need to book a reservation?
You come tonight?
Well, I'm planning to, but
Sounds like
I've
you're
just got to
crying.
speak to a couple of people about this. Is it possible?
Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, about what time?
Well,
the same
better
woman?
Just double check.
Yeah.
What time do you What time do you open?
We open at 6 o'clock.
Pardon, when?
6.
6 or what? 6 o'clock?
6. Yes.
Oh, okay. What time is it now? All right, that should be fine. Hang on, my friend Ivan just wants to just check a couple of things. Let me just pass you over. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Bear
yeah,
me a second.
yeah.
Bear me a second.
Yes.
What have you done?
Hello.
Oh, no!
Yo.
Well, yeah. What time you come? Yes? What time?
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah. Hello?
I'm not into zombies.
What time will you come?
Well, we're thinking. Excuse me. How do we get there from? I'm in Southsea. No, how do we get there? Is there a bus or is there? What's the best way to get there?
It's near the King's Theatre. Do you know King's Theatre?
Zombies.
Theatre. Where is that? Is that near the university? Near university, but not that side. Right. Hang on, listen, there's a crowd coming. Hang on a second.
Oh,
Sorry,
no.
they look a bit. Hang on.
I love this.
All right, it's all right. Let me just try and talk round them. They're a bit.
Yeah,
Sorry about that. What were you saying?
it's the road is number road.
Okay.
That was cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, hang on. I think they're football fans. Hang on. Oh, oops. Right, they're breaking things. Hang on a minute.
Damn!
Right, hang on. Let me just cross the road. Just a minute.
You should have gone, hey! Stop running over that!
Yeah.
They're getting. Yeah, hang on a minute.
Damn!
Hang on. I think they're going off now. Hang on a minute.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry about this, but they're a bit.
No problem.
Hang on. Do you have any violence where you are? Are the people nice where you are? You don't have trouble with people, do you? With football people?
Uh-huh.
Do you?
She's just...
Yes, are you coming?
Hang on a minute. They're coming back in a minute. Hang on a minute.
Well, we open in half hour time.
Right.
Yeah.
Hang on a minute. I think they... Hang on. Listen. Hang on, they're going. It's all right. I think they've gone. Okay. Well, listen, I'm going to have a quick double check with my colleagues because I want to make sure that... and obviously you do prawn crackers, do you?
Yeah, we do.
Do you have vegetarian prawn crackers?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So you,
They're
you
coming
come
back
just,
again.
up to 6 then, okay?
What?
Probably, anytime up to then. Okay. Okay. Okay?
All right, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
I think she recognized you from last
She
time.
It sounded like she wanted to get rid of you there.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
I don't really care for zombies. That was my favorite part.
I can't believe it. Hello? Hello?
Yo!